Okay, so can others confirm if it is coming out to be R1 R2 equal to R square? Just select tick mark if you are getting R1 R2 equal to R square. Let me copy this to the next board. Okay, that's interesting. So since this cannot be accepted, this condition should be the answer. Okay, so the answer would be R square equal to R1 R2. Now if you have any question, then let me know. Okay, another private message. How does one conceptually understand it that you are having bulbs or different wattages? Like imagine R1 and R2 to be bulbs of different wattages. 40 watt bulb and 100 watt bulb. What is the difference in the two, R1 and R2? Resistances are different of their filaments. So this is a very interesting question now. It's like saying that you have two bulbs of different wattages and you run them for the same time and your bill is the same. You get the point? Imagine two bulbs of different wattages connected in place of R1 and R2. You run the circuit for the same time, both circuits, and your bill is the same, even though one is of higher wattage than the other one. So physically, how does one understand? Mathematically, you can see it is working. It is possible. Initially, it looked like mathematics won't work, but it worked. How does one physically understand it? Any answer? Resistances are different. So how are they giving the same energy then? If resistances are different, how are they giving the same energy? So what's happening? Okay, let me give you the answer to it. What's happening is that one bulb is dimmer than its normal output. So imagine, hypothetically I'm talking, imagine one bulb is of let's say 40 watt, other bulb let's say is of, now that will be hypothetical example. We can do accurate calculations, but this is for just visualization purpose. 40 and 60. What is happening is that let's say 40 watt is glowing to its full capacity. It is as bright as it should be. But the 60 watt bulb is not as bright as it should be. You must have seen bulbs, incandescent bulbs, which glow dimmer, right? When voltage falls, they glow dimmer. So 60 watt bulb is effectively giving light which is equal to the light given by the 40 watt bulb. So the energy consumption by them is equal. That's what is happening here. Now why is that happening? Because current is changing. In the two circuits, currents are not same. So currents are changing, but the product of I square R is not changing. R1, R2. I1 square R1, no. I1 R1 square is equal to I2 R2 square. R1 is not equal to R2. R1 is not equal to R2. I1 is also not equal to I2. So what is happening is that currents are not same in both of them. One is dimmer than what it usually would be. So the energy is the same. Any other question regarding this? Let me know. Okay, looks like no more questions. I have already given you the assignment. We stop at this point.